Here we have Tech Team's number 881 Super Strong 65-pound rated wall hook picture hanger. The set consists of 12 specially made stamped steel hooks with a brass finish, 36 pins or nails. The whole set comes packaged in this handy little reusable storage box. Unlike regular nails, these pins have a head with a fluted knurl, which makes it easy to twist and to insert. The nail end of each pin is 21 millimeters, which basically converts to 0.83 inches. This makes it just the right length for hanging pictures on your typical 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch thick drywall wall. Each hook has 3 reinforced holes, one for each nail. The holes are angled at about 15 to 20 degrees. This ensures optimum mounting and optimum strength. Not everybody is familiar with the anatomy of a typical drywall wall. Therefore, we've constructed a mini wall section to show you exactly what goes on inside a wall. A typical wall is made from 2x4 studs and either 1/2 inch or 5/8 inch thick drywall. We're taking the time to point this out because if any part of the wall has been compromised, obviously the hooks are not going to function as intended. For example, if the wood framing is rotted or eaten away by termites, it's not going to have enough strength to properly support the drywall. If the drywall has been subject to excessive changes in temperature, excessive humidity, water damage, or something of that nature, it may also have been compromised. The point here is that if you attach the hooks to a structurally sound wall, you can expect them to hold up to 65 pounds. If there's some kind of problem with your wall, then all bets are off. Typically, the vertical members inside the wall, otherwise known as studs, are spaced 16 inches on center. The closer you mount your hook to a stud, the better it's going to hold. For the purpose of demonstration, we've laid a little wall section on its back. It should go without saying that step one is to decide where in the wall you want your picture and where you want it to hang, take appropriate measurements, and then decide where to put your hook. Once you've done that, locate your hook in the appropriate spot. You'll note that each hook has a hole in it. And the center of that hole is exactly 25.4 millimeters or 1 inch from the inside bottom of the hook. All you have to do is put your mark on the wall 1 inch higher than where you want the hook to be. After that, it's only a matter of putting the hole in the hook right over the mark on the wall, and you're going to have your hook exactly where you want it to be. We put a little X mark here, 1 inch above where we want the hook to be, and we just move our hook over and put that hole right over the X. These pins are sharp and they're made out of tempered steel, so you really don't need a hammer to knock them in. Here we're going to use the handle of a screwdriver, which you'll find works rather well. Of course, once again, always start with the center screw. This way it makes it easy to adjust if you don't have it hanging exactly vertical. The specially formed holes hold the pin at exactly the right angle and also support it while you're hammering it into place. Here's how things look on the other side of the wall. And as you can see, the pins are exactly the perfect length for this 1/2 inch drywall.